This is a very easygoing family home designed for comfort and entertainment. It comes with 3 garages and additional storage. We have a bright and sunny entrance hall, leads you straight into the open plan dining room, living room, kitchen, as well as the super spacious patio area which you see in front of you. The patio is designed with folding doors that can keep it as part of the house if left open from the inside, or they can be closed and the outside folding doors can be opened, and then your patio becomes an outdoor area. You're looking at the kitchen now. It's a modern contemporary style kitchen, plenty of cupboard space in the scullery and a gas stove. From the kitchen we're walking towards the TV room, and it has a fireplace. The TV room leads you into the bar area with a very beautifully built custom bar, and the fireplace can heat up both sections. Folding doors lead you to the garden, and you see the drop down blinds that can also control the sun in and out of the house, as well as keep it nice and cool in summer. You also have the toilet right next to the entrance. Upstairs we have a spacious pajama lounge, very sunny, with its own balcony, and then we have 3 bedrooms all en suite. This is one of the bedrooms, and what you see in the ceiling is the cooling system, which is central for the whole house in summer. The bedroom has its own balcony, and it has its own bathroom en suite with a shower. The second bedroom we're going into now is with its own shower and bath en suite, as well as access to the balcony as well. There is a linen cupboard upstairs as well for additional storage. This is now the second bedroom with the desk and very nice modern bathroom. A view from the outside of the house before we walk into the main bedroom. Beautiful views from the main bedroom onto your balcony and the rest of Waterfall. It also has a wood-burning fireplace, and of course it has the central cooling system. Open plan bathroom with an outside shower and folding doors to keep it nice and cool in summer. Separate toilet, double basin, and plenty of cupboard space into the walk-in closet. There is also a built-in safe. Beautiful home. Call us to have a look.